Sohag Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Welcome to Glam and Shine with Rashmi Bedi. Our guest today is very charming and gorgeous, actress and model, Khushi Mukherjee.
मुझे अगर कुछ चाहिए होता है तो मुझे वो चाहिए होता है. So if I find somebody over here, so of course he'll be mine.
Actually, that was one hell of an entry. We wish you a very, very successful journey.
Just the beginning, sir.
Maybe want to sit. I will see this.
Wait, wait, क्या था ये? साक्षी का मेरे साथ अभी तक पंगा.
Hey Khushi, how are you? Welcome to the show.
Hi Rashmi, thank you. How are
Looking very,
you?
I'm good. You're looking very pretty and really, as I told our viewers, she's very gorgeous and charming, and they can of course see Khushi looks so gorgeous.
Oh my God, I'm blushing.
No, looking lovely, Khushi. And thank you so much for taking your time. And I would like to thank you on behalf of our viewers all over USA and Canada कि आपने time निकाला हमारे show के लिए and you are here to share your journey with our viewers.
Thank you so much for inviting me and making me a part of this show. Thank
Thank
you.
you. So, Khushi, I really want to know how your interest inclined towards an acting.
Well, people must have heard this a lot of times from my mouth, but this is a fact. I wanted to be an actress since I was 3 years old.
Wow.
I mean, since the time I could speak, it was only one thing that I grew up with, and that was watching movies. I loved watching Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol romancing on screen, and
Awesome.
since then I decided that the only thing which I would want to be is an actress.
Wow. So you're very focused. But I've heard that your parents wanted you to be a doctor.
Yes, I was a very studious kind of person,
Yeah.
and I'm all our Indian mentality, but not only Indian mentality, but if I am a parent and if I have a kid who is really very studious and scoring like
Of
18,
course, of
98 or
course.
99%, I'll think maybe she is gonna be an actor, maybe a doctor or engineer, something
Of
like
course.
that. But I always believed that whatever I'm doing, I should do my best. So when I was studying, I loved studying. I used to read all my textbooks and I used to learn them, and I was the topper of my school. But I
Wow.
had in my mind, in fact, when I used to tell people that I want to be an actress, people used to laugh at me because I used to wear specs. I had braces in my teeth, and my mom used to apply a lot of oil on my head and
Oh.
used to have a long hair.
ये तो सबके पेरेंट्स का यही हाल है एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट कि जब आपका बच्चा पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा तो इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग विद ऑल द पेरेंट्स कि वो चाहते हैं डॉक्टर
Yes.
इंजीनियर ऑफ कोर्स बट यू हैव लिव्ड योर पैशन सो हाउ यू कन्विंस योर पेरेंट्स वो माने कैसे
Um, well, my mom was an actress before marriage,
ओके
so she didn't want me to be an actress. Well, it was because my father was a little orthodox, though he lived in Canada, but he never wanted me to be a part of this glamour field because people think this is not something professional.
oh yeah of
So
course
I did not tell my father. Me and my mom, we hid it from him. So I never knew that there is something called as coordinators in this field. I found out a few numbers of coordinators through a local newspaper. I contacted him. He asked me for a portfolio. Of course, being a fresher, I don't know what portfolio is. So I went to a local studio. I did my own
Mhm.
makeup, wore my own clothes, got my
Okay.
photographs clicked, and I gave it to him. And luckily, I got a big hoarding shoot for Nokia.
Okay.
After that, I got no work. I struggled Then I posted a professional photo shoot pictures on Facebook,
Okay.
and that's how I got my first movie. I hid it from my father, but no longer I could hide it.
Of
He
course.
was quite upset with me. He did not talk to me for 2 years, and then eventually he passed away. I'm quite regretful about that. But you have to sacrifice something for something.
Of course. Of course, I feel that this actually, as I told you before the show, the name of the show is Glam and Shine, and here we want to share the journey of an artist. That behind the scene, there's a lot of hard work. Now, Kushi Mukherjee, everybody knows the name, but there's a lot of hard work which I requested you to share. That's the reason that, as you are saying, that you have to work very hard. So many hours of shoot. So how you manage that, Kushi? Because it's like long hours. It's not just 9 to 5 job. It's long hours
It
you're shooting.
it is, but one thing is for sure. If you're following your dream, if you do what you love, you might get tired, but you'll never get bored of it.
Correct.
So that keeps you enthusiastic towards it. You keep working towards it, and you still love doing it because you're working towards your passion. What happens is people don't get enough opportunities to follow their dream. Sometimes people around us, they spread enough negativity. They make you so cautious that you even get embarrassed to speak out about your dreams. Like how I used to feel during my school days, people used to bully me so much, but
Yeah.
I never got demotivated. So working for long hours, of course, it is stressful,
Mhm.
but you kind of enjoy it because you this is what you wanted to be since childhood.
Agreed. Totally agree with that. What you are saying, that if it's your passion, then you will give your 100% in that. That is so true.
Yeah.
So, which was your first movie when you got a break in South Indian movie? Your debut was from South Indian movie, right?
Yes. I started with print modeling, and sooner I was offered a Tamil movie, which did not work quite well in the industry. Also, I was quite fat that time. I wasn't very groomed
Okay.
because I did not have a filmy background. I didn't know what to wear and how to maintain your personality or how to talk or whatever. So, but after that, I was offered a Telugu movie. Till then, I had reduced a lot of weight, and I had improved uh, over. I had improved overall. So I my second movie was a Telugu movie, and my
Mm-hmm.
debut movie was a Tamil one.
Okay. And how was your experience when you had gone for Spitzvilla?
Splitsvilla, well, this is something I would like to share a dark reality about
Sure.
reality shows.
Mm-hmm.
So, I, many of the journalists asked me that I started with movies, then was it a downfall for my career that I started doing serials or I shifted to reality shows? But it was never that. I wanted to be an actress because it was a dream. I acted in movies, I followed my dream. I wanted to act in serial because again it was something which I wanted to do. I never thought from my brain, but I thought from my heart. So as it is said, reality show. I tried for a reality show. I thought that you need to show your real side, and
Yes.
it was a dating show. So we had maybe a 15 minutes date or something, and we had to fall in love with someone.
Okay.
I couldn't fall in love actually because I was being real and nobody accepted quite that real side of mine, and I, I eliminated myself in the second episode.
Okay. And what about the Love season 3?
Love School season 3, well,
Yeah.
it was quite interesting for me because I was kind of heartbroken when I entered love school. So I was mentally prepared
Okay.
that I want to find love of my life in this show. So if love gives me another chance, I wouldn't shut my door, but I'm gonna keep it open. So when I entered as a wild card contestant, people were like, "Ooh, she's someone hot," and most of the guys over there approached me. In
Yeah.
fact, people were even calling me as a jodi breaker. I said, "No, I'm not gonna break anyone's
Yeah.
couple. Okay, if I really like someone, I might go for him, but as of now, I am gonna approach someone who's single over here." So I went on a date on Love School, and he was kind of interesting. So I started liking that guy, but when I got to know his personality, I kind of backed out because I'm a person when in love I would really give my 100%, but when I saw that I am ready to cross oceans for someone and someone is not even ready to take a step ahead for me, so I was just being myself in lab school as well, and people had really appreciated that side of mine.
Wow. So your journey is so beautiful. What do you think is a any you can give suggestion to our upcoming youth who want to pursue their career as an actress? What is required? Like with your experience, what do you think the requirement to become a good actress?
See, one thing I'm going to be very honest about is girls these days who enter this industry, they are quite misguided. You have to be very choosy. You should know where you fit in. And if you want to fit in somewhere else, you need to groom yourself. You need to have particular talent, and then you have to fit in that place. Many girls in this industry, they think, okay, fine, we are glamorous, we'll show our legs, or maybe we'll do some kissing scenes, or we'll get a web series.
Yeah.
But that's very temporary. See, you need to be glamorous, but along with that, you if you want to be an actress, you need to know how to act. You should know how to deliver your dialogues. You need to be expressive, and it's an overall package because if you don't have a filmy background, nobody is gonna guide you. In this industry, there are so many fake people around who will make certain promises that will make you heroine in this director's XYZ director's movie, or we'll cast you here. You need to be very picky and you need to judge people.
Yes.
Okay, again, I am not a judgmental
Of
person,
course.
but when you talk to someone, you need to understand that whether this is a B grade movie or a C grade movie, because one wrong step, if you're right now at zero, it will take you to minus, and you might lose many years of your life. And
Yeah.
some people, they come from their villages or hometown, they don't even have enough money for survival,
True.
so they need to be really very careful.
Very true, very true. This is a very, actually, it's very informative thing what you are letting our viewers know, which will be a big help for them to take a right decision. And I think so, what you are saying that you have to judge, you have to make sure that the next step is the right step what you are taking. That is
Yes, because
absolutely right.
even I have gone through such people. There are so many coordinators who had once offered me a web series, and you won't believe it. I mean, I am into this industry since last 5 6 years.
Yeah,
He had kind of tricked me too. He told me this is for uh, a known OTT, and later when I reached on set, I got to know that it was a really down market web series, which I was supposed to do. And
okay.
thankfully, I was saved end moment, and many girls might not even understand that.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Thanks for sharing that. And our viewers or young girls who want to pursue their career, you must watch this episode to learn. It's going to be very informative for you. And this role of yours, that Jwala Pari, is very beautiful. You look so gorgeous. You're saying, "Oh, I was fat," and this. You look so fit and fine. Beautiful Pari, I should say. So sweet. You're looking so gorgeous. So how did you got that role in Balvi? I would like to know about that.
This is something which is out of my league. This is not my forte. Kushi
Mm-hmm.
Mukherjee was always known as a glam doll, or maybe someone who didn't have uh, maybe a fan following related to kids.
Mm-hmm.
But this was something very different for me. So when I was offered a role like Jwala Pari, I
Yeah.
was like, seriously, will I? will I be able to portray this character? Because over here you're shooting in chroma background. You need to have a lot of imagination. Imagination. You need to imagine things, and things are all imaginary. And there would be lions talking to you, and I'm creating fire. And then the producer somehow convinced me that, see, this character is quite relatable to your personal life, because I'm a quite short-tempered person. So Jwala Pari is someone who is little aggressive and who is short-tempered. So it's relatable.
Yeah.
And after doing this role, I got immense love from the kids. Someone making sketches, someone writing poems for me, someone asking me to talk to them. Once I went for lunch with my family,
Okay.
and a group of kids came to me to take pictures with me.
Oh,
So,
so cute.
my image just got shifted, and it was lovely.
How nice. This is such a touchy moment when your fans are coming to you, and you must be really loving that.
Indeed.
So what is the best compliment you have got till date today? कोई ऐसा होता है ना जो आपको हमेशा याद रहता है कि हाँ, this is so nice.
Uh, well, basically, many people said that they can actually read my eyes, because even if I don't say anything, they say that my pictures talk. So,
How
I,
sweet. Yeah, of course. You are such a lovely person to talk to, and you और आप कह रहे हो मुझे गुस्सा आता है, मुझे लगता तो नहीं है आपको देख के कि आपको गुस्सा आता है. You look like a very relaxed
I,
person to me for now.
I am a very positive person, but I'm a very emotional person.
Yeah,
So if I see something wrong, something unethical, or something which is really stupid,
yeah,
I
yeah.
of course I get irritated.
Of course, of course. गलत बात पे तो गुस्सा आना भी चाहिए. That is absolutely right. And आपके upcoming projects क्या है खुशी?
My upcoming projects, well, I'm offered quite a lot of web series, but I am gonna be very choosy regarding them, because I'm quite bored with my bold image.
Yeah.
So I don't want to do anything sexy right now, but I want to do something which is beautiful. So I am offered South Indian movies and a couple of serials, one or two serials. So let's see whatever works well. I'm gonna be very specific regarding the scripts. So let's see how the scripts are
Very
when
nice.
we.
It's really nice to know that you're looking for some nice tips, and we want to see you more and more. And I am really in love with your attire and the way you're looking in Jwala Pari is so nice. And I know इसको देख के सब बच्चे आपके बहुत बड़ी fan following होगी आपकी, of course. They must be loving you so much. So thank you so much. But before we end the show, Kushi, any message for our viewers?
Well, I would like to thank Gaurav, my business manager, for having me connected to you all, and I would like to thank you for conducting this interview, asking me such beautiful questions, and of course, I'm sure that even the viewers are gonna thank you for conducting this show and getting this information for them. So I would really ask them to watch my upcoming episodes and all my movies or serials, whatever, and they can give their feedback that would help me to improve myself. That's
Of
it.
course, yes. It's a great information for all the people who are staying at home. उनके बच्चों के लिए बालवीर they can watch, and of course Kushi will be there as Jwala Pari. So thank you, Kushi. It was great talking to you. Thank you, dear. Stay
Thanks,
safe, stay home. Thank you.
stay safe, and God bless America.
Thanks, dear. मैं हूँ रश्मि बेदी. हमें उम्मीद है ये शो आपको पसंद आया होगा. लेटेस्ट वीडियो के लिए देखते रहिए माई ड्रीम टीवी USA, और पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई ड्रीम टीवी USA.